Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial we are going to make this kind of text inflate animation in the Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. So make sure watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So let's dive into the After Effects. So we are in the Adobe Illustrator 2025 and I'm going to type text here S and increase the text size, and I'm using this font and copy this layer. As you can see, all text are separate. Select all of this text and change the color of this. So I'm using this cream color and select all of this text and go to the effects, 3D and materials, and click on this inflate and check this inflate both sides, and go to the material options, decrease this roughness value and increase the metallic, and click on this render icon. Now select any of this text and go to the file and click on this export selections, and you can export anywhere you want, and format should be GLTF format, otherwise it's not going to work, and click on this export assets. Now select this second and click on the export selections and export this as well. So we have all of these text layers. Now jump into the After Effects and create any composition and name it Sail, and size is 920 by 1080, duration 5 seconds, and go to the 3D render and select this advanced 3D and hit OK. Now import all of this text layer and hit OK, and select all of them, press S, increase the scale size and arrange your all text layers. And these text color are faded now, and we will fix it later. And change the camera angle top view and move this A in front like this, and this E move like here, and go back again active camera and move this text like this, and select all of this text, press R, and we will rotate the text. So rotate this Z rotation. Okay, so now let's rotate the Y rotation as well. So select this one and rotate this Y, and let's make this something like this, and this one like this, and this L also. Select all of these layers, press P, go to the 1 second and add the position keyframe, and go to the beginning and move it to the down like this. Okay, and select all of these keyframes, F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor and select this right side handle and move it to the left side like this, and make the graph something like this. Now go to the 1 second and press R, add the Y rotation keyframe, and press U to see all of these keyframes, and go to the beginning and change the Y rotation keyframe. Let's make this 1, and it will rotate like this. Alright, so now select all of these again, hold Ctrl Alt and move like this all of this text. Alright, again select any of these text and press B. We will add the expression, so hold Alt, click on it to add the expression, and type wiggle open bracket close bracket, and inside this type 2,25. Now right click on the position, click on this copy expression only, and select all of this layer, Ctrl V to paste the expression. Now right click new, add this adjustment layer and name it CC color correction, and go to the effect and preset panel and search hue and saturation, and drag and drop this hue and saturation on this CC, and increase this master saturation value, and you can change any color you want. I'm going to make the saturation value 42, and now we will add the lighting. So right click new, add this light and select this environment light, and make sure cast shadow should be checked and hit OK, and you will see like this shadows on the behind all of this text. If you don't see like these shadows, then go to the advanced render options and click on this fit to scene and hit OK, and now select this environment light, press R, and let's change the rotation, X rotation lighting -316, and the second Y rotation lighting -85. Now let's add the one more light. Right click new, add this light and select this spotlight and hit OK. Press P and move the Z position of the spot lighting like this behind, and press T, decrease the intensity value, and 30 is good to me, and you can see the difference. So this animation is completed. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, then hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.